This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today making vegan deviled eggs. So I have my garbanzo beans. I drained them and I saved the aquafaba. I put it in my blender. I mean, you could have blended it more. You can blend it more if you want a smoother consistency. But I didn't. This was good enough for me. I'm going to add some sweet relish. I already, oops. I'm gonna add some mustard. I'm going to add some dill weed. I'm going to add some pepper. And I am going to add some black salt. So I put the salt in this container because it makes it easier to pour, because it originally came in this black bag that I got from like an Indian market. So when you use, oh, I didn't add the mayo. I have some vegan mayo. You just throw it in and add as much as you need. So this is the black salt. Oh no, that's not the black salt. This is the black salt. A little goes a long way. This stuff, it smells eggy, but it tastes salty. So I'm just gonna do a shake. That's it, a shake. I'm gonna give it a stir. I would use my hand blender. I don't know where it is, though. I'll do my hand blender to make this a little smoother. Taste it. Wow. This tastes eggy. So I have my mushrooms. I had it soaking in the pickle juice. Gonna put the filling inside. I was generous with it. I love devil eggs. I miss devil eggs. I'm going to take some paprika and decorate it like they do regular deviled eggs. This is the finished result. Now it's time to taste it. Bon appetit. Yeah. 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 My next batch, I'm going to dry off the mushrooms so they won't be so juicy and pickly. Now for the ultimate judge. Noah! Come! I want another one. Come.
I don't eat mushrooms.
Come.
Yes.
Have you ever had a double egg before?
No.
You never had a double egg like at a party, or can you taste this to see if it tastes eggy? Why would you pick the biggest one?
I don't know.
If you don't eat it. Camera. Just put it in your mouth. Just put it in. Why you shaking your head?
It's just fresh. It doesn't taste like an egg.
Because you don't like mushroom?
I don't like the fruit.
Okay.
I don't like potato chips. I don't like potato salad.
Oh. You don't like potato sauce. He's not a good. Can you throw this away? Jungha! Come. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so have you ever had a double egg before? So vegan double egg. Look at the camera, tell them what you think.
Good.
Dag. Good? Does it taste like an egg? Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So Noah was a fail only because you don't like potato salad. I forgot. So it's gonna taste like potato salad. But these taste good. Mm. Auntie Tab, you really did it. This with this. Thanks for watching. Bye.